Hi guys, I'm Mario and today we'll talk about how to get a free USA phone number from any country around the world. Stick to the end of this video and I'll share with you 15 useful software you don't know exist. So let's get started. Tons of platforms create virtual phone numbers, but the free part is the hard part. None of them are free, but some of them can be used for free, with no credit card input required. The platform we're going to use is called Toll-Free Forwarding, and it has a weak trial version with no credit card input required. So click the link in the description of this video and you end up on this page. Here you can see virtual number inventory. Let's choose Europe, for example. Here you can see all the countries that you can create virtual phone number. So just tap the logo again. And here you can start your free trial version. So sign up by putting your actual number, which will receive the actual calls. Put some basic information and then verify your email. I refuse to make sign up tutorials on this channel, so I won't guide you to the basic steps for creating an account. After the trial version ends, you can always ask your friend to use his phone number for the registration. Click the link at the top of this video to check out 15 useful softwares you don't know exist. Well, that's it. If you find this video useful, click the like button and subscribe for more.